Hey, how y'all doing? This is Kevin from St. Louis. I guess you guys know. Half y'all don't know though. About picking. Yeah, they pick everywhere. They got the so-called American pickers. They pick in the back roads of America. You know what I'm saying? But I pick in the hood. That's why my show name is Pickin' in the Hood too. Why? Cause we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Woo! Anyway, I just want to tell you guys, I just left one of my favorite thrift stores, and I found some nice stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? Like my buddy Matt said, you see a whole lot of stuff, a whole lot of items that's the same, and they selling on eBay. Try to buy all of them. You know what I'm saying? And today is white tag day, and it's half off. So these happen to be white tags. They just happen to be white tags, right? So. So I counted them as 31, but it ended up being 32 of them. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all what they are. You all probably don't know about the package. Hold on a minute. Let me get a smaller one, because it's two different kinds. Hold on. Let me get a long one, because you can't see it. But as you can see, they were $2.99. See that? They were $2.99 a piece. Today is white tag day. So they half off. So I got them for $149. $149 a piece. These are paracords. Paracord bracelets. You put them on your wrist, and if you ever need a cord, like a line, something to climb, something, whatever, you untie them and stretch them out, and you can pull stuff, everything. And they also got a fire starter on them. They sell on eBay for $9.99, in between $9.99 and $12.99, right? So I paid $1.49 for them. I bought all of them. It was 32. I bought every last one of them. I'm not leaving none behind. You know what? Because every little bit count. So I ended up paying $47 for this stuff. $47 and some change. I don't care. $47. If I make $5 a piece for them, what's 32 times 5? 5 times 32. You know what I'm saying? I double, triple my money. So I don't even know if I've seen two on there that sold. This type right here, it's by Bomber Co. And the parachute cards. But anyway, I just seen two by Bomber Co. on there that sold. The rest of them by other companies. But my thing is, I paid $47 for 32 of them. So, paid a little bit over $1.50 a piece. Whatever you calculate it, even if I lose money, not lose money, if I sell like 2 this week, 2 next week, whatever. I done made my money back when I sell 4. No, sell 5 of them. I made my money back. So I'm not even worried about it. You know what I'm saying? But I just wanted to show you guys what I bought. That's not the only thing I bought. I got 32 of these, right? 32. I started buying sunglass cases, right? This is Coach. These are 69 cents a piece in this store. I used to pay $1 a piece for them. This is a Coach sunglass case. I sell this for about $12 to $20. Okay. The one I really like, I got a Chanel one. And it came with sunglasses in it. Sunglasses already in it, right? So I asked the lady, I said, this 69 cents, right? Because you got sunglasses in it. No, these are the Chanel ones I showed you. That's not Coach. These got the Chanel sunglasses in them. And so I asked the lady, I said, since they're in the case, are they 69 cents a piece, or if they do I get the whole thing for 69 cents? So I think she charged me 69 cents a piece for them. I'm not sure, but that's an extra bonus if she didn't. I wasn't watching. But anyway, let me show you the sunglasses. It's some nice sunglasses. I ain't looked the sunglasses up. They nice. These women's sunglasses right here. See them? These Chanel. I never sold any Chanel sunglass cases before. I sold everything else, Coach, stuff like that. But I paid 69 cents for the sunglass case. I might sell them together. Depends on when I look at them. If they selling together or if they selling separate. How much it is. But how much I can make more. But hold on, what the hell? I'm sorry, I'm trying to put my, I don't want to scratch these sunglasses, so I'm trying to zip them up while I'm holding this camera. You know what I mean? So, sorry, y'all have to wait a minute. Y'all have to wait a minute. Hell. Anyway, I'll wait on that later. And then I got some Tommy Bahama. It's Tommy Bahama sunglass case. Look like it's vintage. It look like it's old. I got, I don't know who this is. I like it because it's got a name I never heard of before. I never heard of that. But anyway, I'm gonna look it up. I don't know how much that is. And I bought a whole lot of sunglasses. These prescription glasses right there, they look like they vintage. Okay, I don't know, but I'm looking them up. I got let me tell you what else I got. Let me open this bag up, show you what else I got. But anyway, I ended up spending like $54 in this store. Anyway, I don't feel like going through the rest of this stuff because I had to dig through the bag and go through the rest of it. But these sunglasses right there, I never heard of this company either. I never heard of this, but I like the way these look. Identity. I never heard of these. They kind of made like those. What's the one with the O? The Oakleys. They kind of remind me of Oakleys. So I'm gonna look that up when I get home too. Or when I get to work. You know what I'm saying? That's when I do most of my work at work. You know what I mean? When I'm home, I'm doing stuff. This one right here is Tukumai. Okay, this, I don't know who make these or whatever, but I don't care. I'll look it up when I get home and see what's going on with them. But my major score today was these paracord bracelets. They got 5-starter on them. They got 5-starter on them, and it's 7 strands, 500. They hold 550 pounds. Test. They Type 3 military spec. So, you know, good stuff. I don't know, but I see when I look it up further, when I do further research to see, you know, how much they are and how much they really selling for. But right now, all I saw was 2, and one was $9.99 that sold, and one was $12.99 that sold. I'm gonna try to get at least $13 for them, and I'm gonna try to get $2 shipping. If I get $2 shipping, I'm really gonna be in the money. You know what I'm saying? So, if both of those were free shipping, I'm gonna put a test out there and see if I can get $2 shipping for those. But like I said, I didn't do that much research on them because I was in the store trying to get out of there. I got something to do. Well, actually, I'm late for doing what I gotta do. But it's a vacant house, you know, so I'm not worried about it. And you guys, in the future, I'm going to start a new YouTube channel with my handyman business. You know, 911 handyman services. Off-duty fireman, on duty for you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to start that YouTube page. I'm going to take y'all through these houses I'll be going through and show y'all the work I'm doing in these houses, stuff like that, and yards, whatever. I'm going to take y'all through this stuff. And we might go through some lows. You see me buy stuff, whatever. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start another YouTube channel with my business. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. I just want to throw out a quick video about what I just bought from one of my thrift stores I go to. You know, when you guys, you know, if you like my video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. See that thumb? Or a thumbs down if you don't like it. But go ahead and subscribe. Leave a message and tell me why you don't like this video, and I'll try to improve on it. You know what I'm saying? Just leave a message and tell me why you hate it. You know what I mean? Or if you like it, just tell me why you like it. My eBay page is McPike69, and you can go on there and look and see what I got. You know, if you buy something and you leave in the message, you leave me a comment saying when you buy it, saying you saw me on YouTube, I'll give you a little discount. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, go ahead and drop that. And Matt, maybe you can sell these with your tactical shirts. Woo! I got me some tactical bracelets, man, with 5 starters on them. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you can sell it with your tactical shirt. Maybe we can come out with a deal. No, I'm just playing. I want to sell them myself, Matt. But anyway, I'll send you one, Matt. You know, to show you what it feels like to get to have one with your shirt. Put one of them shirts on, and put one of these tactical bracelets on, and maybe you'll feel a little better. You know what I'm saying? You have a matching pair. Yeah. But anyway, I want to say bye to you guys. Thumbs up, everybody. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget, we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.